A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to Class 8 Computer Science video session. Today we are going to start lesson 12 Surfing Internet. This is part 1. Children, watch the video attentively.
Hello students, today we will talk about surfing the internet. Internet and its versatility have spread worldwide like a fire in this decade. Internet is a major tool to communicate, socialize, shop and work. The internet is a worldwide publicly accessible network made up of thousands of interconnected computer networks. No one has the idea about the number of computers connected to the internet, but the number is growing rapidly with each passing day. The computers on the internet communicate with each other using the Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol (TCP).
So children, in the previous class we have learned about the history of internet, how it started with the basic network of 4 computers in US which was called ARPANET, Advanced Research Agency Network, and which gradually spread to the around the world and which was accessed by universities and general public and was called as internet, that is international network of computers. And you know that internet has emerged as the biggest network in the world and became immensely popular due to its versatility, various spheres of life, and also internet is a major tool to communicate, socialize, shop and work. So in everyday day-to-day life, people are using internet in every aspect of their life, whether it is to communicate with their friends, relatives across the world, or whether to socialize on social networking sites, or whether to shop online or to work in the office or to search information. So, the internet is a worldwide, publicly accessible network. Anyone can access it around the world. And we do not know the exact number of computers which are connected in this network.
Or IP. Who is he? He is Winton Gray, an American scientist who is considered as the father of internet. In the previous classes, you have learned how to communicate with people on the internet through emails, chatting, video conferencing, etc. In this chapter, you will learn about other communication services. Let us first talk about World Wide Web. The World Wide Web consists of millions of documents or bunch of pages called web pages, containing links to documents and resources throughout the internet.
So, children, the World Wide Web is a collection of millions of documents or bunch of pages which contain text, graphics, and links to other web pages or websites. Now, graphics are all the images, pictures, and also audios and videos. All these are in the World Wide Web.
The World Wide Web, abbreviated as the W3 or WWW, was developed in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee in Switzerland. The initial purpose of the web was to use networked hypertext to facilitate communication among its members. A rapid growth in the number of both developers and users led to incorporation of graphics, videos, and sounds. The web uses the HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol for the transfer of these documents over the internet. Let me share an interesting fact that the term hypertext was coined by Ted Nelson around 1965.
So, children, to search for any website, you have to type its URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator. It is a unique address which you have to type in the address bar, that is http:// and the website www dot and the website's name. This is called the URL.
People consider the internet and web to be the same, but it is not so. The World Wide Web is accessed through the internet. It is like many of other features of the internet like email, etc. www is a true example of client-server technology. A person who uses internet uses a software known as web browser and requests for a document or a web page is located somewhere on the web.
So, children, internet and www are not the same. www is the World Wide Web, wherein which contains millions of web pages and also documents. That is, you search for this World Wide Web with the URL using the internet.
Browser requires the internet host or server which contains that document. The browser thus acts as a client. The internet host.
So, children, to search for World Wide Web, you have to use the internet and you have to type the URL. So, just like email and other sites, World Wide Web is also used or can be searched using the internet.
After receiving the request, passes the information to the clients. The total flow of information is controlled by a net protocol. The protocol used in this exchange is called Hypertext Transport Protocol, HTTP. Web pages are written in simple markup language called Hypertext Markup Language, HTML. Nobody can even think of that how many million pages are there on the web. They are made by individuals, organizations, or the other one who wants to publish them.
So this information is transferred using the HTTP protocol.
Students, do you know what web browser is? A browser is a software program that allows user to access and navigate the World Wide Web.
So in order to search any information on World Wide Web, you have to use a web browser. Examples of web browsers are Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. So what are these web browsers? These are the software programs which help you to search for information on the internet.
Now let us talk about multimedia. The web has become a broadcast medium where we can listen to audio and enjoy video, both pre-recorded and live. For example, you can visit the sites of news organizations and view the same video as shown on the news. Several plugins are available for viewing these videos. Earlier, the entire multimedia files, which used to be quite large and took time in downloading, had to be downloaded before viewing. This problem has been solved by a revolutionary development in multimedia capability. Streaming media. In this case, audio or video files are played as they are downloading or streaming into your computer. Only a small wait called buffering is necessary before the file begins to play. The Windows Media Player, Real Player, and QuickTime plug-ins play streaming audio and video files. Extensive files such as interviews, speeches, hearings, and televised video clips work very well with these players. They are also ideal for the broadcast of real-time events. Shockwave and Flash are plugins that offers the creation and implementation of an entire multimedia displays, combining graphics, animations, and sounds.
So children, earlier if they had to view any video or audio on internet, first it used to take some time to download. But now with the help of these plugins like Windows Media Player, etc., you can watch the videos with a small wait called buffering while they are being downloaded, and also you can watch at the same time.
Live cams are another aspect of the multimedia available on the web. Live cams are video cameras that send their data in real time to a web server. Students, now we shall talk about real-time communication.
So children, webcams, as you know, they transfer the live cam or the live video to the other person with whom you are communicating.
Audio and video communication can happen in real time, online on the web. These capabilities allow people to conference and collaborate in real time. At its simplest, chat programs allow multiple users to type to each other in real time. More enhanced real-time communication offers an audio and a video component. The real-time communication tools include chat, where we type in real time; audio, where we can conduct a telephonic conversation on web; video, where you can view your audience; file transfer, where we can
So, real time communication is you can chat at the same time, and also you can talk in conference call, as well as you can view the video in the video conferencing call.
send files back and forth among participants. Document or application sharing. View and use a program on another's desktop machine. Alright, let us now talk about Skype. Skype is one of the most popular application or voice over internet protocol VoIP service. It allows you to do instant messaging and make voice and video calls to fellow Skype users on the internet for free. You can even call people abroad on their phones or cell phones for fairly affordable rates. Let me tell you Let me tell you that Skype software was originally created in 2003 by Swedish entrepreneur Niklas Jenstorm and his partner Danish Janus Fries. It has been owned by Microsoft since 2011.
So, children, I hope you understood today's video session, and we'll continue with this lesson in the next class. Note down the homework for today. Work out the exercises in your textbook on page number 148 and 149. Bit A, fill in the blanks, and bit B, state true or false. So, meet you in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice